everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. It is I, Jay Hart, and thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys enjoy beauty content, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell notification button right after that to be notified for all my future videos. And give this video a big thumbs up if at any point in this video if you guys are enjoying yourself. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and doing a Get Unready with me featuring the One Size Beauty brand Go Off collection. So if you guys want to see that, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to take off my lashes. Ooh, these lashes are the BIGO lashes in the style De Niro. These are really, as y'all saw, they were really cute lashes. You can definitely use my code JHART for money off if you guys want to purchase these lashes or any other kind of lashes from BIGO lashes. Really nervous. I think I want to do one side so I can like post a picture.
Let's wipe it off.
I'm going to do one side so I can post a picture, like a half. I'm about to start with opening up the wipes. Okay, so these are, whoa.
You have to get all that in between. In your ass crack, you gotta shave.
These are some big wipes. Look at that. Like, these are big to cover my whole face. Like, this is a traditional makeup wipe right here. And these are the Patrick Starrr wipes. Literally half the size. Ooh, I cannot wait to try these. Okay, I'm nervous. And this is the spray right here. This is the spray right here. And I'm about to take this off and I'm going to spray one side and get started. Let me see. Oh, this smells amazing. Okay. Ooh. It looks just like, you know, you put like a balm on. Look at that, Leak. This would be a cute dewy setting spray. No shade.
Don't get no ideas.
If somebody gonna like it, somebody gonna love it, I have to deal with this. Everything God gave me, I deal with.
I'm about to start off with wiping this side over here. Or no, I'm gonna do it like Patrick did. He started off with his lips. And let's just get started on this side. Oh yeah, it's gliding right off, Leak. And this is like a mattifying, like I use like extra mattifying products just to see how this would fare up against it. So I just did, oh my God, I just did half my face. Look how that, like, that just wiped all that off. And I'm about to just get my mascara off, y'all. Rub this mascara off. But it, like, it completely demolished my eyeliner I had on. I have on eyeliner. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I did one side with only half of the makeup wipe. Don't mind that, that was a mistake. But only half of the makeup wipe, I used that. I still have the back. I still have this side. I still have all that. I am missing one of my makeup wipes. I ordered two, but I'm missing one of them. I guess like they misread or something like that. So I contacted Sephora and they're sending me another one right now. So yeah, let me just look. Let me really look at this to see if it actually took off my eyeliner that was there. Oh yeah, it did. Definitely. That leftover stuff is just lash glue. So I'm going to just get started on this side now and just start spraying. This honestly, I'm not even playing, y'all. This will be a sickening dewy setting spray. Like sickening. That is like, I'm getting ideas. Even though my friend Leek told me not to get no ideas, bitch, I'm getting ideas.
Don't get no ideas. Please don't. Don't go wearing that as no damn setting spray.
Mind your fucking business, and we will mind our fucking business.
Girl. I'm not gonna listen. So let me just do one wipe over here. All the eye makeup is off. Like, wow. Y'all, what I'm noticing is I'm using this around my immediate eye area, and there is no burning. And that was like one of the things I was worrying about, because a lot of makeup wipes, they burn my eyes, at least me personally, and I hate that. And I'm literally just like rubbing this right into my eye, and it's not burning my eye at all. I love that. So pretty much this is like all of it. I didn't get a chance to use the back part of this part simply because the front actually took off all my makeup itself. So I'm going to go wash my face and then do a little skincare get unready with me while I talk about these products and like my first impressions and different things like that. So I'll be right back. So I'm about to do my skincare, you know. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Serum, and I'm just going to just apply this everywhere. So the first thing I'm going to really talk about is the spray. The spray is really, really good, you guys. It's really good, especially like if you, it's basically like a balm, like one of those makeup removing balms, but just in a can. But if you don't want to get it on your hands, like, you know, like, cause typically balms you have to rub in, like, you know, to mix up your makeup and loosen up your makeup. But that you just spray it on. And I would definitely say if you guys don't like touching your makeup with a balm, like I don't, because I hate that, I would definitely say pick it up. It's really good. It's really, really cute. It makes your face really shiny. That's why I say like it would be cute as a dewy setting spray, like just a light amount though, but it literally just melted my makeup right off. So I would definitely say pick it up if you don't like touching makeup remover balms or anything like that. It's $21. It's really, really good. I would definitely have to pick this up again if I run out. I will definitely pick up another one. So I would definitely say yes. It's worth the buy. It's definitely worth the buy. And Sephora shipped it out like literally the same day. So yeah. Now I'm going to move on. I'm using my e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream Moisturizer. And now I'm going to talk about the Juiciest Makeup Wipe. First thing I really have to say is, I'm going to talk about what I like about it first before I get into the negative thing. It's just one thing really. So I like that it's literally like 2 sizes bigger than the average makeup wipe. So technically, if you think about it, you're getting like 45 wipes in here, other than the typical 25 wipes that you would get in the one. And I have a big face, so when I look at Patrick reminds me of myself. I've been watching Patrick for years. Since he first started his channel. And I just love that, even though we're not the same ethnicity, I just really like that he looked like me. You know, he was brown, he was plus size, and that's what I really, really liked about Patrick. Because finally I could see someone that looked similar to me on YouTube doing makeup, and that's what like really interested me and what got me into makeup. I like how big it is. It covers my whole face, like just one wipe. It only took one wipe to wipe off my entire face. I didn't even need the back of the wipe, but that's what I really liked as well. I'm not gonna go in with the Too Faced Hangover Moisturizer SPF. But yeah, so that's what I would say I really liked about it. And also it didn't burn my eyes. I have sensitive eyes. Average makeup wipes burn my eyes, like Neutrogena or the Walmart brand Equalite, those brands burn my eyes. Like, I cannot put any makeup wipes around my eyes at all, but these wipes I can. And that's what I really like and appreciate about it. They're sensitive wipes. And it doesn't like dry your skin out either. Like when you're done like wiping up, it doesn't dry your skin out. Like they leave your skin still moisturized even though, you just wiped all your makeup off. So the only cons I would say about the wipes, they're not so juicy, even though he said they're the juiciest makeup wipes. To me, they're not so juicy. It tended to dry out a little bit faster because I did have it sit for like maybe a minute or so, and it kind of dried out, and that's what I really didn't like about it, especially because the name on there says the juiciest makeup wipes. I've had other makeup wipes that were even juicier, like the loose leaf makeup wipes from the crayon case. Those are like really good. Like I opened those and they were like straight, like packed with product, pretty much. And that's what I like. And this is the Sue Rose Mist. I keep my skincare simple now, y'all. So yeah, so I'm pretty much done with my skincare too. So that's what I really liked and disliked about the wipes, pretty much. But the setting, like not the setting mist, but the makeup dissolving mist, you definitely should buy the wipes if you do have a big face like me. If you are a big face person, I would definitely say pick those wipes up because yeah. And also the spray, if you don't like getting the makeup balm, like Patrick was saying that he was getting the makeup balm under his nails. That's why he made that spray. I definitely see why, because back when I did have a makeup balm and I had on false nails, I hated getting makeup under those nails. I hated that too. So definitely the spray is a 10. The wipes are a 8, 9. I would definitely buy more wipes. I bought 2, only got 1, but I would definitely buy more wipes simply because they fit my big face and they're actually really thick. That's another pro. They're really thick too. They're not so thin. I've had makeup wipes that would rip on me because they would be so thin. Not those. Those are amazing. So in conclusion, I would definitely say pick up one size if you support Patrick Starrr. If you supported him on his journey like I have, I would definitely say pick that up. Pick up these sets. I can't wait to see more products from One Size and more things that they bring to the table. I would definitely love to work with One Size, girl. Hit me up, girl. Put me on PR. Let's work together. Period. If you need another black, big, voluptuous boy, definitely hit me up, Patrick. So yeah, Patrick has done a lot of things, like not a lot of things, but Patrick has been so inspiring to me, being a boy in makeup, but a brown boy in makeup in general. It's just everything. So yeah, you guys, if you guys did enjoy this video of me, this Get Unready with me featuring One Size Beauty, then give this video a thumbs up. And Patrick, if you're watching, girl, I love you. Definitely love your products. This is amazing. Your products with MAC were amazing. So yeah, shout out to you, Patrick. Pat, Auntie Pat, shout out to you. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.